Did you know that you can maintain 2 or more Facebook profiles under one Facebook account? Yes, you heard it right. Meta last year introduced a feature called Create Another Profile for Facebook users, but many of them didn't get this feature for several months. So if you are also one of them and are clueless about what it is to how it works, then hop in with the video. So Meta lately added a new option for their Facebook users called Create Another Profile. This means now you can create up to 4 different Facebook profiles under one account. For example, earlier, if you wanted to have your personal and professional Facebook profile separated, you would have to create 2 different accounts with separate credentials and information, etc. But now, with the Create Another Profile option, you can maintain up to 4 different Facebook profiles under one account. It is much easier and less messy to use and maintain different profiles. You will simply use your existing login credentials to log into your Facebook account. First, you will land on your main profile and can then switch to other profiles. These profiles will be different from your main profile. For each profile, you will have your own friends list and feed and can follow different pages and groups. This is like having multiple Facebook accounts under one phone number, email address, and other credentials. If you still haven't got this feature on your application, you can try certain solutions like updating your application from the Play Store, clearing cache files from your phone settings, and you can also look for the option on your profile setting. That's all for the video. Tell us in the comments if you like this update or if you're already using it, how's your experience? And for more such videos, keep following GetAssist.